In this lesson, we'll show you how to set up a video meeting using the optional Carolina Digital Phone video meeting application. Begin by logging into the Manager portal. Then select Video Collaboration from the Apps menu. Once the video collaboration screen opens, you have options. You can start a meeting, join a meeting, schedule a meeting, create meeting room, or view past meetings. Let's schedule a meeting. Now it's time to name your meeting. If you'd like to add an optional description, you'll do it here. Next, set the date for your meeting from the calendar. Click OK and choose the time for the meeting. Be sure to indicate if the meeting is AM or PM. Click OK. Now you can choose the duration of the meeting. From here you have options. For instance, you can add wait for host, record meeting, require passcode, and other options. Now it's time to send out invitations. You can either select names from coworkers already in your address book, or you can type in the email address of somebody from outside of your organization that you'd like to invite to the video meeting. Then be sure to click Save to send your meeting invitation. Once your meeting is scheduled, you'll see it appear in this screen.